multi-photo contest template will open in the Builder. With Edit on, you can edit each component by either clicking the pencil icon within it or within its respective widget here in the Edit Widgets panel. To edit this text, edit the rich text widget called Headline. To edit this image image widget. Click Select Image, and when the Media Manager opens, either upload new media or select the image you'd like to use. Edit the body text. Edit each of the icons and text here in the Steps and Stages container. In the Entry Area container, edit the Enter text. To edit the entry form, click on the Edit Form icon to open the Form Designer. Here in the Form Designer, you can add, edit, and delete fields in your entry form. When you add a field, you can edit the label here, and also edit the field settings here in the menu on the right. If you'd like to allow each participant to enter more than 2 photos, you can edit that here in the Photo Field settings. To configure how many times you'd like to allow each participant to enter, click Entry Restrictions at the top. You can turn entry restrictions off or change the entry allowances. Set up an alert to get a notification when an entry is submitted in your form. When you're done editing your form, click Save and Exit. In the Voting Area container, you'll see a number of rich text widgets to edit. First, edit the thanks for your entry text, which will appear when an entry is submitted in the form. Next, you'll see this little clock icon in the Before Vote Text and Vote Text widgets. This means there are visibility settings enabled on these 2 widgets. Click the clock icon to edit the dates you would like this text to appear. This text will display before the voting period and stop showing on December 15th. Make sure to edit this date to when your voting period will begin. If you like, click the pencil icon to edit the text in the widget. Repeat this process with the vote text. Edit the start showing date when your voting period begins. The entry widget is the widget that will display the entries that are collected in the form. Edit this widget to configure the settings, for example, whether or not you'll only display approved entries, when the voting period will start and end, as well as voting restrictions. Lastly, add some official rules to this rich text widget. Once you've customized the content within your landing page, use the Style panel to customize the look and feel of it. To remove this background image, select the container it's displayed in and edit it here in the Style panel. You can change the text and colors by selecting a new theme. You can also customize a color palette to apply to your page here under the Global tab. When you're done styling your landing page, click Preview to test it out. When you're ready to publish, click Publish Campaign and follow the prompts. Your landing page is live at this URL.